Today's a killer. So we're getting
Welcome to mortgages.
we're getting the IG Live set up, and this is a weekly series called Tea Time with T, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Today's theme of the week is mortgage finance options. So today we'll cover conventional, Wednesday FHA, and Thursday first-time buyer programs.
Okay, we are live on Instagram. Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
So we didn't go over this week's theme. Last week we were still brainstorming, but this week's theme is going to be different types of loans. We're going to go over conventional loans, FHA, and first-time buyer programs. So
That's right.
let's jump right into it. Okay, so what's going on with you and what is new in the market today?
Well, I feel like could possibly have a mini heart attack at any time right now because I have barely had any time to breathe. And it's just been like one thing after the other today, and I couldn't possibly fit any more in. I'm so blessed to have Jocelyn back full-time as a loan officer assistant, a head mortgage planner, mortgage partner. And as she grows into her loan officer career, she's going to be here supporting me. Jan is here full-time. You're here full-time. And the phones just don't stop. They're just not. And I'm like, could the rates go back up a little bit so we could just catch up? I mean, nobody wants that. I mean, after you guys all get your refinances and your purchases, of course.
Yeah.
So it's just a high stress environment trying to fit everything in and, help people under these extreme conditions of getting things done. I mean, it's really,
and it's so high demanding. I don't think anyone fully understands that we're doing the best that we can to do as much as we can.
Well, for example, today, I'm trying to get, it's a purchase, and we did a really good job on this file. We had an appraisal issue that wasn't my fault. And even though we had that appraisal issue, I was still on time. If I would have got my closing disclosure out today, but I still can't get it. And, every single department that you're dealing with, they're at max capacity. So everybody is feeling this extreme pressure. And so from, processors to escrow officers to title people, you would not believe the amount of people involved in one loan. Mm-hmm. I mean, it's
a lot.
It's incomprehensible the amount of people that are involved in just doing one loan. And as a borrower, you think you just put your paperwork in and it's
get
so
an
much,
answer.
Yeah, get an answer. It's so much more than that.
Yeah.
So anyway, this is kind of like my first break. I did make some tea for tea time.
Tea time with tea.
Okay. Jocelyn is here with me today because, well, first of all, I like her. Second of all, she's cute. She's funny. And I like when the pressure is off me to answer all the questions. So let's go into you want to talk about the first one, Jules?
Okay, so today's theme is conventional loans. So like the sub theme. Okay, so the second question, we just went over the first one, talking about how busy we are and stuff. So the second question is, what is a conventional loan?
You want to start?
Yes, I will start. My name is Teresa Timms. I'm president of TDR Mortgage and Real Estate Group, and you can find me on the web at tdrmortgage.com. Call or text to 909-920-3500. A conventional loan is a type of loan for an individual that has high credentials. That someone that has typically a credit score of a conventional borrower is someone that, hey, they've got money in the bank. They have money for their down payment. They have room in their debt ratio. They've got savings. After they put down their down payment, they have a great job stability, and they're rewarded by all of that by having the best type of financing. So for when people are looking, hey, I want the best type of financing. I don't want to pay mortgage insurance. I don't want to pay this. I don't want to pay that. We put highly qualified borrowers into conventional loans. Conventional loans conventional loan guidelines are put out by two government-sponsored enterprises, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. And these two organizations issue loan approval based off a set of variables, such as
high FICO score,
credit score,
debt to income ratio. So how much do you make versus what you're qualifying for?
equity position, what is your
Equity
loan to
position,
value?
Loan to value. So how much money, if you're buying, how much money you're putting down, that would put you in the best loan to value.
Do you have
position.
savings?
Savings? Do you have, cushion, right? So after you put so much down, do you have money still left in the bank?
And depending on this set of variables, we just like go type everything in the system. And it's really neat because we will put into Fannie Mae, and if it doesn't come back with as good a result as maybe we thought, then we'll go type it like this into Freddie Mac. And we're getting a lot of appraisal waivers right now that way. Refinances and even purchases, So that's really, really cool.
Yeah.
So the question was, what is a conventional home loan? I think a conventional loan is one of the more traditional ways that most people prefer to finance a home.
Yeah. A lot of people see it like, the conventional loan is what, has the lowest PMI or no PMI, depending on where you fall on the qualifying spectrum.
Okay, what else?
Okay, so third question is, what type of borrower would be most suited for a conventional loan?
I think we kind of answered that in the first one. So it's like a highly qualified, elite kind
somebody
of buyer.
with their shit together, somebody that pays their bills on time, somebody that saves their money, somebody that's not out there buying Gucci loafers living at their mom's house. That's who gets a conventional loan.
She went there.
That's who gets a conventional loan.
But that's who gets a conventional loan, right? People that have been smart not only with their credit but their finances, right? They're not living above their means, right?
Yeah, and there is a time and a place for other loan types. So I think that sometimes people will come to us and say, "I want a conventional loan," and then I look at their overall financial position, and I think that they're better suited for another product. Present the options, educate them, and let them pick what program they'd like to go to.
Yeah.
Is that going to be covered? Conventional loans. We got to talk about the loan amount too. Okay, go ahead, Jules.
Okay, so
I love having you as the hostess. You look super Kylie Jenner today too in your outfit. Let me show. Look how cute.
I look bummy. I had a bad car day, so I was like, no,
you look
I'm
cute.
not doing this.
Oh my God, girl, you look so cute.
Okay, so last and final question. What are the requirements to be approved for a conventional loan?
Well, I was going to cut some more.
High FICO scores.
Bad bitch status,
low
basically.
debt-to-income
Money
ratio.
down.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bad bitch status. High FICOs, low debt to income ratio, money in your savings account, all those.
Another thing that we didn't touch on, that conventional loans are sometimes there's so many variables when we talk about types of financing.
Mm-hmm.
We like to use conventional loans when we're financing condominiums. Because FHA and VA have rules that these condominiums have to be approved FHA, VA. And if you can only have access to that one type of financing,
you're restricted.
You're restricted. So being a conventional buyer puts you in a better position. Also, conventional loan limits are higher. Conventional loan limits across the nation are $510,000, whereas FHA, it varies from county to county. In San Bernardino, in the Inland Empire area, you can't buy more than $475 on FHA, whereas conventional, that's not the case. Oh, well, hold on, because there's conventional, and then there's conventional high balance, and then there's like conventional jumbo, which is really like a non-conforming product. So conventional serves a purpose primarily for highly qualified borrowers purchasing properties that are in a higher price range also.
Yeah.
So a lot of times we put people in conventionals for
It's
that
just being
reason.
conventional is going to put you in the most or give you the most opportunities that you're looking for, I feel.
Yeah.
Like you're not going to be restricted. Not to shame on first time buyers. I mean, a lot of people,
Got to start somewhere.
that's what we do too. So we'll qualify you for a first time buyer. And then with time, we help you and build you up to then get you into conventional.
Yeah, a lot of people start out with a first time buyer or FHA or some form of a low down. And then typically 18 months later in a down rate environment, we can, put them into a conventional product is what we're seeing with these
Yeah.
historic rates.
Yeah, okay. I think that's all of our questions today. So if you guys want to start brainstorming some for tomorrow.
Oh, I want to do a little giveaway too.
This FHA.
Okay, this is not like super crazy, amazing giveaway, but if you're in the area, we've got these giveaways where it's, I don't know, like a $200 or $500 value of like buy one, get one free. So if you tag your friends in the comments below, tag 2 friends, and we're going to be giving this away in like 24, what is today? Tuesday?
Mhm.
We're going to give this away by like Thursday at like 5 p.m. or something. But what I
How about we
like.
do it Thursday after our tea time.
Yeah.
No,
Oh, yeah,
I'll
that's a good one.
announce it.
See?
Tune in to our tea time on Thursday, and we're going to
And the
announce
stakes look
the
that way,
winners.
look like that. And then what I like is, so this has a thing for Sycamore Inn, which I think I may just go there tonight. So you could go to Sycamore Inn and meet me there and we could cheers if you'd like. But it's like 50% off your entire bill. So I think that's a great bargain. I'm all about bargains up here at TDR Mortgage. How about you, Jocelyn?
Yeah, I love Sycamore Inn.
Isn't
Super
it yummy,
good.
huh?
And right now they have the outdoor sitting, and if you go at
Pinkies
night,
up.
it's so cute.
Oh, I
It's
can't
really
wait.
cute. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, tune in Thursday. We'll announce the winner after our tea time.
So remember to join us Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays around 4-ish for these educational events. Now, was anybody on there commenting or anything right now?
Not anything not any questions or anything like that.
Okay.
Okay.
A lot of hard eyes, a lot of laughing faces.
Okay.
So we'll be talking about FHA loans tomorrow. So if you know someone that wants to buy a house and wants to know about FHA or first time buyer programs, tune in tomorrow on Thursday.
Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. That's it for today, guys.
Bye, everyone.
Tune in tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, YouTubers, it's just us. We're all alone right now. We actually have more than one person on here.
We do.
Wow.
We had 3 at some point.
That's like not just a fan. You could say, oh, then you have fans or followers or whatever, right? Say hi to Jules. Julesy Woolsey.
Me and Minnie.
You can't really see like what's different about YouTube streaming though, is you don't see like who's,
Saying something?
yeah, you don't know who's actually on here.
Oh.
I wonder if that shows up in the insights or something.
No, I think
It's not like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not like IG. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys.
Yeah.
And give some comments down below. We'd like to hear what your thoughts are or questions for next time.
Ask
All right.
away.
See you later.
Bye.